to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a mini thrift haul. You guys know, if you've been around here for a while, I love to thrift. Thrifting is my passion, but I am trying to cut back. So I've been doing a lot of these mini hauls where I kind of show you a couple of pieces, but then also show you how I style them, just to kind of give you guys some inspiration, still show you guys what you can get from the charity shops, but still kind of cutting down on what I'm overall buying. So this is over a couple of trips, and you'll see I actually only have a couple of pieces, but the things I've got I'm really happy with, and the things I've been looking for and really chuffed with. So I thought I would show you them anyway. Make sure to hit subscribe if you like kind of thrifting charity shop videos, and yeah, let's get into the haul. One of the first things I brought was from Cancer Research, and I have washed this because when I got it, it stank of smoke. I didn't quite realise until I got it home. So this has actually been through the wash twice, and then what I did was, this is my perfect tip. So if you've got clothing you get from the charity shop or you get second hand, maybe it smells a little bit, whether it's smoke or something else, what I do is I wash it once or twice, kind of trying to get out the bulk of the smell, and then if it's warm I will dry it on the washing line. This is great because obviously the air gets through it, and I feel like it gets fresher in the garden anyway. So I actually let this air dry, and then repeated the process another time. And then what I did was I popped it, as it's been quite cold and I didn't really want to leave it outside because it's been raining and stuff. What I did was I shut my bathroom door, but opened all of the windows in my bathroom, hung this up on kind of the shower curtain rail. And then every so often I was going in with my Fabulosa like fabric disinfectant spray, and also just the Fabulosa kind of multi-surface spray cleaner which can go on fabrics. And I literally was doing that kind of every couple of hours. I was going in and spraying it just to get off the last little bit. And now I feel like the undertones of the smoke is still there, but I feel like with another wash it'll be fine, and with perfume it'll be fine. But to be fair, now I think what I can smell instead of smoke is cleaning products. So obviously this is a good thing to do if you've got clothes that smell, but also if you are a bit funny about smells, smell the clothes before you actually buy them in the charity shop. This is something I always forget to do, and it would save you that time. But anyway, this is £3 from Cancer Research. It's originally like proper vintage new look. If you look at that tag, it looks proper old school, and it's just this black plain maxi dress. Now it is kind of this stretchy material, and it's got this kind of buckle detail here, which I'm not fussed on. I don't hate it, I don't love it, I'm kind of very neutral about it. But what drew me into this dress was because I love a plain black kind of maxi dress, and all the ones I've got are quite fancy or jumpsuits, and I thought this would be absolutely perfect for my upcoming trip to Barcelona. It will roll up really small, it's also fully covering my legs, so actually if it is a bit chillier it's absolutely fine. And I feel like this with a nice jacket on top will look really, really classy. I feel like it's the perfect thing you can dress up and down, which is what I look for in my clothes, to be honest. If I can dress this up and dress it down, it's a win for me. So let's see how I style this. I am picturing this dress walking through the streets of Barcelona, doing some shopping, and I feel like this is pure holiday. This outfit is screaming pure holiday to me. I think with some sandals, maybe even a hat. I feel like I love the fit of this dress. It's not super snug where I feel a bit restricted. It's stretchy enough that I can move around in it and feel comfortable. And yeah, there's something really flattering about kind of this length dress. I feel like the black, although it is just a pure black outfit, still looks feminine and not too kind of in your face. I feel like paired with some jewellery, obviously these clasps are kind of more of a silvery colour, but I think where they're kind of not a bright silver, you can get away with gold jewellery still if that's what you prefer. And I think this with some sandals, oh my gosh, I feel like this is pure holiday to me, pure summer. Whack some chub rob shorts on underneath just for comfort. I'd probably wear a black bra with this rather than a strapless, just because no one likes a strapless bra. And I feel like if you wore a black bra with this, it wouldn't look too out of place, and because obviously the straps are black and kind of cover where the straps would be. But I love this dress. I feel like this is pure summer, really effortless. I find dresses in the summer are definitely my go-to. You don't have to worry about putting in together an outfit you think looks stylish. Whack on a dress and you're good to go. Obviously in summer you don't need to worry about pairing it with jacket as well, but I do think for Barcelona, I think I'll probably wear this on the day we're going into the cathedral, just because you have to have parts of your body covered. I feel like this with a jacket, maybe even if it's too hot for a jacket, just a men's oversized shirt kind of put on and kind of tied around the waist, just to kind of cover a bit of chest and then cover my shoulders. I feel like this would be perfect, and I'm in love. I'm in love with this dress. It was £3, which is insane. I saw it and thought, this is great, because I love kind of plain black dresses are fitted. but a lot of mine are only really winter appropriate. So I thought this is perfect kind of alternative for summer. I do also think this is a sort of dress, if you whacked on a red lip and some heels, it would look really dressy, but equally whack on some sliders and a nice shopping bag and you're ready to go for a day outfit. I just think this is really, really versatile, and that's the pieces I'm trying to get in my wardrobe are pieces that I can wear kind of from day to night and wear kind of all year round. I feel like with this I could whack on a jumper, maybe tuck it in here and then have it kind of as a skirt. I also could just wear this with a coat. I feel like this is really, really versatile, and I love these sort of pieces, and they're definitely the staples I'm trying to get. I'm trying to steer away from anything too leery, anything too colourful that maybe next year I won't love, because I'm finding a lot of the summer dresses I brought last year I'm selling on, they're not really fitting in with my personal style now, whereas with timeless pieces like this, I know this will see me through years and years and years, and the fact how the tag is so vintage new look obviously shows that someone has loved this for years anyway, and I'm really glad that I can give it a new lease of life. With bodycon dresses, if you're feeling a little bit insecure, even something just like chub rub shorts can smooth you out enough that if you're feeling like you want a bit of smoothing out, but obviously every single person has a stomach. It is really normal to have a stomach. It's very normal to be able to see a stomach. We're just so not used to seeing it in the media that when someone actually has a bit of a stomach, that it's automatically freaking out, it's not right. But literally everyone has a stomach, and I'm trying to get to the point where I don't care about that, and I definitely think I'm halfway there. But if you're feeling insecure about your stomach, don't wear the bodycon dress if you love it. Everyone has a stomach. No one's looking at your stomach thinking, oh my gosh, there's a stomach. No one cares. Everyone has one. Everyone gets bloated. And even if this is your normal state, which just I feel like is my normal state, like that's fine. And you're no lesser of a person just because you have a tummy. Little body positivity talk in the middle of the haul, but I love this dress. It's so cute. And if you wonder where my bag's from, it's from Lanzarote. It is not real because I'm not rich. The next thing I got was originally from Urban Fit Sportswear. It's a UK 16 and this was £1.99, and they're basically just these shorts. These are from Oxfam, by the way. They're just these sage green kind of cycling shorts. Also, apologies if you can hear noise, my mum is working, so there's plenty of kids in the house. But I thought, I love a pair of cycling shorts. I find them really, really comfortable, and I wear them underneath dresses and also wear them kind of by themselves with like a nice oversized tee. And I thought coming into the summer, this would be a really nice colour. Now, when you hold them out, you literally can see through them. So I'm really hoping they're not super, super see-through. But anyway, I probably would wear this with like an oversized t-shirt over it, so it doesn't matter too much. I also am finding, I don't know if any of you girls who have thicker thighs out there can relate to this, or even if you don't have thick thighs and your thighs just rub together. When I'm sleeping and it's sweaty, I can feel my thighs rubbing together and I absolutely hate it. I'm sort of the person that doesn't like to sleep in any clothes, but I think I'm going to start sleeping in some sort of cycling short, and I'm hoping these fit and are comfortable enough for me to do that, just because I hate that feeling of my thighs rubbing together. I've resorted to like kind of angling the duvet or blanket in between my legs so it doesn't rub together because I hate that chafing feeling. But anyway, I thought for these, they were £1.99. I didn't even try them on. I just thought they'd be perfect. They're stretchy, and I feel like these would look super cute with an oversized tee, for pyjamas, kind of a mixture of things, just a nice comfy basic to have in the house. I've moved you down slightly so you can see the shorts hopefully a little bit better. Actually, I actually just left on the shirt I was wearing and then chucked on these, and I think it actually looks really cute. From behind, they're not the most flattering thing, but I'm wearing a very unflattering underwear, aka black granny knickers. So I feel like with something seamless, these actually look really cute as an outfit. Accessorised well with lots of gold jewellery, maybe some gold necklaces, a nice bag. And I thought this will tie this all in really nicely. So this is a good mix of kind of casual, but still like you look like you've tried a bit. There's something about a shirt that kind of elevates it from just wearing an oversized t-shirt with it. And yeah, I really, really like this. And these shorts are so comfy, like literally, these are gonna be like my new everyday short. They're so, so comfortable. And I love a green. I just feel like green is definitely the colour at the moment, and I literally live for it. So that's everything I picked up from the charity shops. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite item you ever thrifted was. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!